Hey, this is Jonathan Grande. It's June 2nd, 2019. I'm driving this 2006 Hyundai Tucson. I just went to the gas station because needed some fucking bug stuff. Because I got bit by some bugs. Because there's no pharmacy open anywhere in Bowmanville. You have to drive to Oshawa if you want to get bug repellent or anything from a pharmacy now, because I guess we don't have a pharmacy that's open 24 hours. Anyway, here's my seatbelt. Check this out. You can take a better video on the light after. It doesn't work. Just all of a sudden decides, you know what? Not going to work today. Just not going to work. So, like, what do? Right? Do I drive home? Do I call fucking... I don't have any money. I don't even know if I have any minutes left on my phone. And the seatbelt's doing this. It doesn't click. 2006 Hyundai Tucson. There's a lot of guys out there saying I don't like GM, whatever, you know. I play stupid, you know. Wait for the right moment to strike. Like, look, this is a huge fucking recall. Every single fucking one of these cars is going to have a recall now because of this, because of me. Which means now there's probably a hit on me from the Japanese. Because all I did was fucking buy a car, not even buy it. It's my mom's car. She bought it brand new. So there shouldn't be any fucking issues with the seatbelt. Like, how the fuck does the seatbelt stop fucking working? Fucking stupid Hyundai. This is why I quit working there like a long time ago. You guys are fucked. Seriously. Like, Japan, give up. Seriously. Like, you lost the war. I know you're trying to get back at us with the car sales and shit. But fucking with the seatbelts just because I'm white. You know, it's maybe a little bit racist, but, you know, it might not even be white, but I'm Italian. I don't even look Italian anymore. I turned into a fucking limey with age. Everyone thinks I'm white. It's such an insult. It's like, no, I'm Italian. Don't fucking call me white. It's like that song. Anyway, I'm gonna fucking figure something out.